Merry Christmas.
Wait, jingle bells all the way.
So today is day 9 of Vlogmas, but I did my makeup. I'm about to get dressed. I'm wearing a dress today. We're both wearing dresses today, which is unusual because we're going to high tea. I don't know what to do with my hair. Should I just leave it down?
I leave it down.
Anyways, we're going to high tea at the Something Oriental Hotel, and I'm uploading yesterday's vlog right now. This is what it looks like in case any of you are wondering.
When you don't wear shorts, you feel so displaced.
I know. This is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing that trend where it's like a t-shirt and then like a dress on top. Okay guys, we're going to show you our outfit of the days. And we never wear dresses like we said. Well, we switched jackets because I think this one looks cuter. I'm wearing this shirt from Zara, and then this dress is from Pretty Little Thing. It's like super like tight, so I'm not used to it. And then I'm wearing this choker from Forever 21, and this jacket is from, I don't know where, it's my aunt's. Okay, your outfit.
Brandy Melville. Nursery.
Yeah, Topshop actually. This is from Topshop.
Okay, we're all dressed.
It's actually not that bad. No, it's not. Yeah, it's all the...
This one's cute.
Let me see here.
Who did your hair before? What do you mean who did it? Somebody said who did your hair. What kind of roller coaster?
Maybe Alyssa wants to go on a roller coaster. I want what?
You go on a roller coaster?
Let's go on a roller coaster with her? Sure. Which one?
This one by Janice Hurt.
We're sitting in the elevator. This is so weird.
With a seat in an
With a seat in an elevator. Different. We're in the 23rd floor of the Sky Lobby. There we go. Ready?
Oh my god, it looks so cute. It looks so cute.
We got our tea. That's what we're eating first, and then fruit and dessert. It's so cute. This is Soph's. And that's theirs. Yeah. So we're gonna eat. We're gonna try everything. Looks so good.
Mine.
Oh no, stop. Thank you.
We have like one cracker. She has a blue and I have green.
What's yours name?
I don't know.
I'm gonna name mine. Let's name him Finn.
I'm gonna name mine
Christopher?
Yeah.
Yeah, Finn and Christopher. Best friends.
Yeah. They're ornaments.
Yeah, we'll put them on the tree later. Sun. Whoa, this lighting is really good. Wow. So nice right here. So we're back. I took my jacket off because it was annoying me and I put my hair up. I had a hairband this whole time and I could have put my hair up, but I didn't know. But we got Chipotle. Let's show them what we got. What did you get?
I got a quesadilla with beans and rice.
Yum.
Black beans and white rice, and I got some chips.
Yum.
That's all.
I got some Sofritas tacos. And we got some chips, and my sister got a Sofritas bowl, which looks really good. We just opened up some of our presents. I just want to show you what I got because I'm so happy. Okay. First I got a Fenty Beauty gloss bomb, and I'm wearing it right now. It's like beautiful. Like, I love this. I'm gonna wear this like every day. My grandma got this for me, and my grandma also got me the Modern Renaissance palette. It's beautiful. I've been wanting this for a while. And then Soph's opened her present. What'd you get? What is this called?
I don't know.
It's just this huge like princess coloring art thing. We're making slime. She's teaching me, my first time making slime. Wait.
Right. Okay. So. Put that all water.
Okay.
And then we mix.
Is it too much water?
No. Good.
Whoa. Well, our last slime failed, so we're making another one. We're gonna try to make fluffy slime, so I'm excited. This is my first time ever making slime.
Grandma, do you know where scissors are?
You guys end up trying that taking off the cord?
And here's the final slime.
Back in hand
It's a little messy.
A little.
A little bit.
I guess it's worth it.
So it is now almost at 9 o'clock. We're sitting on the couch.
It feels like 11 o'clock.
It feels like it. It feels so late. We are watching Netflix. We watched Meet the Robinsons. And then we're watching King Julian something, but I accidentally clicked on it, so we can't exit out until it's done. But we wanted to watch Hotel for Dogs, so we're gonna watch that once this is done.
Me either.
But I'm going to end the vlog here since I'm just going to watch this and then wash my hair. And that's it for today's Vlogmas. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. My camera really does not focus on me anymore. I think I need a new camera or something, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.